Hey everybody, this is Joe from Joe's BBQ House in Review. Today I'd like to do a quick update on my Hydroponics DWC plants, especially using that Mars Hydro SP-250 LED light. It's been working out great. I'll get more into that here in a second. Gonna go through the following here. This one here is my Yellow Reaper. It's been under these T5 bulbs since day one. Actually, all these plants have. This one, about half his life, has been under that Mars Hydro SP-250, and a few of these have been rotating. I ran out of room. As you guys remember, my counter when it was all full of plants. Well, as you can see, I have other things going on right now. I moved a few of my plants outside, which includes my habanero, my Carolina Reaper plant, and the Thai fire fingers. So here, I'd like to show you guys that this plant right here is my chocolate butla. I have some flowers going on, but there's no pods going on. This one here has been sitting from day one, and this is my Trinidad scorpion, and I get all kinds of buds on this thing. Actually, I could pull some of these off, but as you guys can see, she's doing great. Got some laying back there. You guys can't probably see that. But I'm telling you, these plants are huge, man. They're so wide. Like I said, I had to downgrade because they're like this one here, growing up into the light there. I'm gonna have to. I've been keeping them pruned. But anyway, over here to my bubble gum. I mean, this thing's producing really nice, as you guys can see. Some back over there, down over here, way over there. And I've pulled, I'd say, about 50 ripe peppers off of this plant already. And I don't know if you guys can see how tall this thing has gotten since the last video. I mean, look at how much bigger it's towering over that Trinidad scorpion, and how much higher the light is there. I mean, that thing's got to be pushing over 5 foot tall. But like I said, keeping this light here as a test, and I just swear by this light. I mean, the plants look great. They're growing tall, much better than my T5s. I'm not saying nothing bad about the T5s because they work. And just so you guys know, with this bubble gum here under that Mars Hydro, I did trim a lot of this off. And as you can see, it just won't stop growing. I mean, if you guys can see the end of my island here, there's about probably 3 foot from this point to that point. It was literally growing out to about a foot away to where I could barely even walk around. So I kind of trimmed it off there. I'm not sure if you guys can see that or not, but hey, that's just how it works. Over here is my chocolate reaper. Okay, I planted this 12-7, and I have no pods that are ripening yet, but that's about as big as the pods are getting. Some are a little bit smaller. They're over there in the back. And this one's not doing anything as of yet. This is my Yellow Reaper, and this was planted in January 11th of 2019. I'm still using the same totes. Nothing's changed there. All the totes are the same. I am using now one small 32-watt pump to operate. It's a 6-port that's operating these 5 plants. So my noise is cut down very good. I have the pump turned off right now just due to the video purposes, but I will turn it back on immediately. But hey, like I said, it's an update from this Mars Hydro SP-250 light. I'll leave the links down in the description. If you guys like what you saw, have any questions, please hit that like button, comment below, and have a great day.